Hey, what's up? My name is Lucas.
My name is Curtis.
And we are two brothers who love making short films.
And we want to tell you a story about how we created this film.
So our whole crew is me. Camera, rolling, sound, speed, action. I'll be operating the camera, but we needed a sound guy, so we got this as the sound guy. There's something special about working with your brother and your dad. We're like really on the same page, but we've both got so many ideas that help us really fine tune things as we go. So Dad, you're gonna take control of the conversation and you're super nice about it. You're literally comforting him. I'm your neighbor, I'm gonna help you.
I think you're also like kind of amused that I'm trying to make this up.
Yeah.
So you want to kind of like ask me questions like, oh, tell me more.
Let's get into it. I'm in the character now.
When do you think Mark will be back?
Well, he's not away. He just went out quickly.
Oh, yeah, I know. When he's away, he asked me to keep an eye on things.
I think another interesting thing about this film is that we've shot it all in the house that we both grew up in.
Action.
And it's a house that for so long we disregarded or just felt normal to us. But really creating this film helped us realize that with just some creative storytelling, you can turn this boring old house into a character in the film.
Let's go again. Let's go problem solving, like you're looking around the room trying to find that microwave. Cut. Perfect. That's it. We're done. That's a wrap on the cold order. Now we just gotta edit it together.
All right, day 2, and we have an issue. Lucas?
We have a big issue. The first day, I got home, dumped the footage, and as I was transferring the audio, I realized something. Half the audio was actually corrupt, and we couldn't get it back. This is not Rhode's fault. This was my recorder, and I was like, you know what? This might be a great opportunity to show the power of ADR.
That's fine. I don't really go away. You don't have to do that.
Oh, that's fine. I don't really go away. You don't have to do that. Pretty good.
Yeah. I can do that for you if you like.
Oh, that's fine. I don't really go away. You don't have to do that.
We realized that some of the stuff that we wanted people to focus on wasn't hitting, but once we actually put in all the clean audio and we added sound effects and Foley to accentuate parts of the film, everything just heightened.
Time to get some Foley.
I want to do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Time to get some Foley.
You thought that was way better? That was the cool thing you wanted to do. Alright, and that's a real wrap.
That's a real wrap because sound is important. Foley is important.
Yeah.
It's part of the shoot. What this film represents to us is that we can make films whenever we want. We just have to get creative.